Welcome to CloudAEye. In this video, we will go over the creation of an application within a service. To start, you need to have a log service already set up. If you do not have a service set up, click on the link in the description to see how to set up a log service. First, click on the service within which you want to create the app. Next, let's go into the service. At first, you see an overview of the services. Next, we see here that there are already 2 applications within the service. Let's create another one. Scroll down to the section titled Configure App for Log Collection. You can choose among various cloud platforms on which your application runs: AWS Lambda, ECS Fargate, Docker, and Kubernetes. We are going with Docker for this video. For your new app, give it a name of your choice. Next, enter the name of the network that the Docker container runs on. Next, you have to fill in at least one of the following: instance ID or instance tags. For this video, we will do both. For the instance ID, just type in the instance ID and press space to add them to the input. Next, we will also add an instance tag. Click on the Create button to create the app in CloudAEye. We're done with the first part of the tutorial. The next step is to start streaming logs into CloudAEye by installing the CloudAEye Logs Forwarder. Let's take a look at how to do that. Once you've set up your app, go to the Apps pane in the App list and select the button to display Install Instructions. A sidebar will open with the instructions to follow to install the CloudAEye Logs Forwarder. According to the instructions, the first step is to copy the command and paste it into your AWS Cloud Shell. The second step is similar to the first step. Copy the command and run it in your AWS Cloud Shell. Third step is also similar. Copy the command and run it once the previous step is done executing. The fourth step is different. Instead of Cloud Shell, the corresponding command has to be run on the EC2 instance shell. The fourth step has 3 commands that will be executed one after the other. Once the commands are run, you can check if your logs are streaming in by going to the dashboard. To do so, click on the Open Dashboard button in your Apps pane. We are changing the timeline here because we have just installed the app into CloudAEye. We see that the logs are streaming into the dashboard. That's it for this tutorial. That's it for the tutorial. Thank you for choosing CloudAEye.